SHARDOR electric coffee grinder mill with stainless steel blades, 1.4 ounces 40 grams, small coffee bean grinder, black. Moderate capacity grinds up to 1.4 ounces 40 grams of coffee beans at a time, which can yield up to 4 cups of coffee. It is suitable for 1 to 2 person. Fast and convenient grinding with the powerful 150W motor and 304 stainless steel blades, grinder can transform the whole coffee beans into freshly ground coffee in less than 20 seconds. Fine or coarse as you like, the grinder can powerfully grind coarse to fine in seconds, which can meet the taste preference of different people. Safe and durable, up to 5mm thick cover which can effectively prevent the coffee powder from splashing. Through the transparent cover, you can monitor grinding process and get coarse or fine coffee powder. What you get: 1 coffee grinder, 1 brush, a 2-year warranty and our friendly customer service. Voltage 120 volts. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.